Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find free Elementor themes in WordPress. If you're building a website with Elementor, having the right theme is essential as it provides the foundation for your design and ensures everything works smoothly with the page builder. Let's dive in and get you set up with a great free theme. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage everything related to your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find all the main sections of your site. Look for the option labeled Appearance and click on it, then select Themes from the submenu that appears. This is where you'll manage all the visual styling for your website. Now that you're on the Themes page, you'll see any themes you currently have installed. To find new ones, click the Add Theme button at the top of the page. This will take you to the WordPress theme directory where thousands of free themes are available for you to browse and install. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll want to browse through the list of free Elementor compatible themes. Some of the most popular and reliable options include Hello Elementor, Astra, and Cadence. These themes are specifically designed to work seamlessly with Elementor, meaning they're lightweight, fast, and won't interfere with your page builder designs. They're trusted by millions of users and regularly updated to ensure compatibility. Before you commit to installing a theme, it's always a good idea to preview it first. Simply hover your mouse over any theme that catches your eye and you'll notice a preview button appear. Click on it to see how the theme looks with sample content. This preview gives you a sense of the layout, typography, and overall design style, helping you make an informed decision without having to install and activate it right away. Once you've found a theme that fits your vision and works well with Elementor, click the Install button. WordPress will download and install the theme for you automatically, and within moments, it'll be ready to activate and customize. And there you have it, you've successfully found and installed a free Elementor-compatible theme in WordPress. Now you're all set to start building beautiful pages with Elementor using a solid, optimized foundation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.